5 of the most reliable car brands in Nigeria. Number 5, Honda. This particular car brand, despite the fact that it has had some challenges in relation to its suspension, these particular car brands have given us some of the most used vehicles in Nigeria. We have the Honda Accord, we have the Honda Civic, we have the Honda CR-V, we have the Honda Pilot too. These are some of the most used vehicles in Nigeria here. And these vehicles are quite loved by some Nigerians. Number 4, we have the Lexus. Now, this is regarded as a luxury brand in Nigeria here, and it has given us some of the most beautiful, most luxurious vehicles that are used here in Nigeria. We have the Lexus RX 350, we have the Lexus ES 350. These are some of the most used vehicles in Nigeria, and it is enjoyed and loved by Nigerians. Number 3, we have the Nissan. The Nissan is loved by Nigerians, both for the taxi drivers, the low-income earners, the high-income earners. They love the Nissan, and the spares for this vehicle are not on the high side. It has products for the low-income earners. It also has products for the high-income earners, and this is why Nigerians love the Nissan. Number 2 is the Benz. Nigerians regard the Benz as a luxury brand, but also a very reliable vehicle. A lot of Nigerians are always like, there are only 2 kinds of cars in Nigeria, Benz and all others. And they believe this to the fullest. A lot of Nigerians believe this to the fullest because whenever they need a vehicle that will withstand the test of time, they always go for Benz. And if you have a very reliable mechanic that understands the mechanisms of this vehicle, you always have a very reliable vehicle on the road for you. Number 1 is the Toyota. The Toyota is the most loved vehicle in Nigeria because it is a vehicle that has built its ecosystem around Nigerians, around the problems, around the challenges faced by Nigerians on the road. It has built its structure, it has built everything around the challenges faced by Nigerians. Nigerians love this vehicle because when you're looking for parts for a Toyota, you don't really have to look too far. You always have a dealer for some of the most reliable Toyota parts that you ever need at very cheap and affordable prices. Toyota has so saturated the Nigerian market that there's always a Toyota for you if you have the budget to buy it. And that is why Toyota is on number 1. But let us always understand, like we always advise on this channel, maintenance first for any vehicle. No matter the brand of vehicle you are using, maintenance is always the first thing to be considered, because without very good maintenance of your vehicle, you always have issues. No matter the brand, irrespective of the brand of vehicle you are using, you always have issues when you do not maintain your vehicle properly. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification button to always receive our notification when we update our new videos. Thank you.